Hi everyone, welcome back to Doodle's Face and Body Art. Today, I'll be showing you how to create this one-stroke creeper from the popular game Minecraft. Let's get started. These are the supplies I'll be using today. If you want to know the exact brand and where to purchase them, you can check the description box below. Begin by loading your brush with your one-stroke cake. The first step is to make the head, which is basically a square. Paint 2 straight strokes one over the other, making sure to keep the darker color on the outer edge of your shape. Go over your strokes if needed. The body is just one long rectangle. And the legs are just 2 smaller rectangles. Use a smaller flat brush to make the face. The strokes for the face are essentially the same as the body, as all you're making are squares and rectangles. If you don't have a smaller flat brush, you can still use any other brush you have in hand to make the squares, but a flat one will definitely speed things up. Now that you know all of the strokes, let's put them together and create this design. Depending how much space you have to work with, you can switch to a smaller or larger flat brush. The rectangle for the body should be smaller than the head. For the strokes of the feet, you can place them next to each other or leave a gap in the middle. You can leave the design as is at this point, but if you want to take it a step further, you can go ahead and outline it in black. If you're a beginner, you might be very hesitant to do the outlining. One of the things that helps me is using my pinky finger as support. I recommend using the smallest brush you have, as it will give you better control. And just keep practicing. Add more details to give the illusion of pixelation. If you ever want to clean up your design, you can take a wet brush and simply go over the area you want to remove. You can also use a Q-tip. If you want to take it a step further and add more detail, you can add squares in different shades of green to make it look more pixelated. Finish off the painting by adding squares around the character in different shades of green. This is where the stencil comes in handy if you have one. Here's a simplified version that can go on the cheek. I'm still using the green for my split cake. And there you have it. I hope you found this video useful. If you do try out this design, please share it with me as I would like to see all of your creations. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching!